Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another crocheting video. I've been scrolling through my Pinterest yesterday and I realized that I just want to crochet something. I just want to make something cute, something that I don't necessarily need, but something that I really want. I will put up a couple of pictures right here. I found this really cute crochet pouch in Stacy Spider-Man style. I also want to make a steering wheel cover because the one that I have right now is very old and I've had it for a year now, and you know, the steering wheel is gonna get dirty. The things that I don't want to keep for myself after I make them, I will probably list them on Etsy. I will leave the link down below, and if you're interested in purchasing them, feel free to check it out. I realized that I don't have pink yarn, so I went to Michael's and Hobby Lobby, and at Michael's I got two skeins of cotton yarn. One is in this pink color and then the other purple, because I just don't have these colors for some reason. I have a bunch of greens and blues, and obviously the blue is my favorite color, so I have a lot of blue in my collection, but I don't have any pink ones. I like pink, but I just don't tend to make things with that color. And also in Michael's they had Heron cloud cakes on clearance, and I got one for 50% off. It is so soft and I just love this color. It is so pretty, like the greens and the blues, my two favorite colors in one skein, so of course I had to get it. I'll probably make something with it later, not today, but maybe a sweater or something closer to the fall. And then I went to Hobby Lobby because Michael's didn't have the colors that I needed in acrylic yarn. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I got this purple, I got a yellow, then I got this pink one and a lighter pink. So I got a bunch of yarn today, which I'm really happy about. So let's get into it. Now I have been making granny squares. I'm going to put different colors together, and whenever I'm done with all my granny squares, I will put them together. So I'm finally done crocheting 10 granny squares. I tried using the same yarn for all of these so they match. Now we need to connect them and make a long strip out of them, and then I'll be able to put it on my steering wheel. First I'm going to weave in all of the ends, and then I'll sew them all together. I've been using mattress stitch to join these granny squares together, and it's been working really well. It looks very good and seamless. So I'm in my car right now measuring out my granny squares because I had a feeling that I made them bigger than my other ones, and then I counted, and the ones that I have in here, they only have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and the ones that I was crocheting have 5 in them. So they are bigger. And it means that I didn't have to crochet as many granny squares as I did. So now we just need to make a border on here, and we'll be able to put it on my steering wheel. Oh, this is gonna look so cute. This thing is so dirty, by the way. It is so bad. I'm glad I'm changing it out. I have sewn all of my granny squares together in one big loop. And now I'm going to single crochet all around to make a little border. I'm finally done putting on a border. I finished it last night, and this morning I'm going to go and put it on my steering wheel. So I'm in my car now. It's time to put our wheel cover on. It looks so cute already. I love it. Now we just need to sew it on so it doesn't slide and it's safer to drive it. So when I sew it on, I'm going to be going under these loops, the top 2 stitches, just like that. I'm going to be going back and forth around the whole steering wheel. Before you sew it on, make sure that you like the position of your cover. So you can see how I'm sewing it on, and then at the end I am going to tighten it all just like this, and it will not move anywhere. So we're all done sewing it on. I somehow cut the perfect amount of string for this to sew the steering wheel cover on. Now we're just going to tie the space where we started and we finished. Just to tie a knot and we'll be all done. So I'm gonna make the Gwen Stacy drawstring pouch, and I'm using this yarn It's a medium weight yarn, 100% acrylic, and we're gonna need white, light pink, dark pink, and baby blue, but I don't have that color, so I might use this one. So it looks like the bottom of the pouch is made with a darker pink, so I'm going to be using this one. Then the body of the pouch, I will go with the white, and just the top part of it will be in lighter pink. So first I just crochet however wide I want my pouch to be, and I think this is a good size. Then we'll be crocheting it upwards, and I think I did 20 chains for this one. Also, I'm going to be using double crochets to make this bag. So I did double crochet throughout my whole chain, and at the last one I did 3 in the same chain to start turning my work over. And I'm just going to be making this pouch the same way that I made my book sleeve that I made a video about on my channel. So we're just going to be crocheting a tube. So I'm starting my 3rd round of double crochet all around, and this looks like they have 4 rounds of double crochet here, 4 or 5 rounds. I think I'm going to do 4 for mine because it looks like I have a thicker yarn, and then I'm going to switch to the white. So I think this is where I'm going to stop with the pink, and I'm going to be switching to white yarn right now. So I'm done with my base. Now we just need to add the eyes. So I just made 2 eyes. I didn't really follow a pattern or anything, just freehanded these. I just did a bunch of half double crochets all around, and then the next step would be I'll probably just do single crochet all around them in this color. So now that the eyes are done, I'm going to sew them to the pouch. So I'm done crocheting my drawstring, and now we just need to feed it through this top part of our bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like these, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!